It's a new 2018 Ford F-150. Job after job, this truck is always ready for the next project. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, V8 engine, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.